Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas Light Community, ChristmasLightTraining.com. Alright, when we're running bushes, we don't need to make cords to run from one bush to another. You'll see here we got a cord going to this bush. We got our main cord going there, got a cord going to this bush. What we do is we take our main cord, we run along them bushes here, we come there. Instead of making a cord special for this one, you actually wrap it around here, go here, come over here and catch this one, run up there, catch that one, and you kind of do, a pattern of this. This is not acceptable. All this is problem areas. If one of these don't work, we got all these plugs here, and all you had to do was just run it to bush and have one female. All you're doing is adding problems. So remember, always use one cord just to run it. I'll show you over here. Look at this good looking stuff right here. They've got two cords. Instead of running one cord to there and to there, no, they ran two different cords here. Waste of material and waste of time and the whole 9 yards. But just run it each bush.